I just finished making burnt bass cheesecake, a trend in TikTok right now. But I kind of regretted doing it because I don't have a mixer or hand mixer or stand mixer or any kind. I just have a whisk, and so it took me a very long time to to mix all the ingredients and make the cheesecake disintegrate into a liquid form. So tiring. But here is my product. I already have one tray in the air fryer and I'm waiting for another one. This one I did not put any baking paper because I just, it's such a waste. And the other one's in the air fryer already, and they made a small version. How cute is that? But we'll see what is the outcome of this. Hopefully it's silky smooth despite not having a mixer for that matter. So it was done for 20 minutes. Reveal. Oh my gosh, it's burnt, really burnt, the sides. But when I put it here earlier, there's already the burnt part, so it's just okay. I'm going to put it back in to a lesser time of a lesser temperature of 160 degrees, then for another 20 minutes so that it completely cooks. Moment of truth. Has it burned down? Oh my gosh, it's so nice. But the recipe says that I should let it stay. Should let it cool down here for a few more minutes and just lightly open it. Let it cool down. So it taste test time. This is the smallest portion that I made, and it's taste test time because I just finished dinner. So let's eat. Let's try this. It has a generous, sorry about that. I used my hands as like a savage to eat dinner. Because as you can see, there's a burnt part that's from the top, and then the sides, which is golden. It's a bit dry.
Delete.
And not as thick as I wanted it to be.
No.
So I'll try eating this one with a slice of mango. Not bad, not bad.